If your news is buzzing with controversy, you're watching the Paris 2024 Olympics. The Paris 2024 Olympics opening ceremony has ignited a global firestorm. A drag performance, inspired by Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper, has drawn sharp criticism. The Vatican and various political leaders are calling it disrespectful and offensive. Organizers have apologized, stating their aim was to celebrate tolerance and inclusivity. However, drag queen Nikki Doll clarified that the performance depicted the Feast of Dionysius, not the Last Supper. She emphasized the importance of LGBTQ+ representation on such a major platform. French pole vaulter Anthony Ammirati also found an unexpected ally in the LGBTQ+ community after a wardrobe malfunction. This incident and the broader controversy underscore the ongoing debate about LGBTQ+ inclusion in sports and society. While Paris 2024 aimed to promote diversity, the backlash shows there's still a long road ahead for understanding and acceptance. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding story. The Olympics have always been a stage for cultural expression and unity. From historical ceremonies to modern-day spectacles, the Games reflect the world's evolving values. Spectators have mixed reactions, with some praising the bold move and others expressing discontent. Social media is ablaze with opinions, highlighting the polarized views on the performance. Behind the scenes, the production team worked tirelessly to bring their vision to life. Organizers and performers share their perspectives, hoping to shed light on their artistic choices. As the Games continue, the focus shifts back to the athletes and their incredible feats. Despite the controversy, the spirit of the Olympics endures, celebrating human achievement and unity. Christians around the world are encouraged to stand up for their beliefs and engage in respectful dialogue about faith and representation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.